Today, we are honored to be here at the Bird Rescue Association of Taiwan on behalf of Harrison Bird Foods, United States. This marks our first cross-border charitable donation to the rescue organization in Asia. We are deeply grateful for the dedication and care that Taiwanese rescue group provide to pet birds. It's truly inspiring. We look forward to continuing and expanding these sponsorship efforts to help ensure that every bird receives the highest quality nutritional support. Certified organic is just the beginning. When every calorie counts, count on Harrison.
水会有残缺的，它很会吃这个海参。
Yeah,
怎么样？
he loves it. Even this parakeet got a damaged beak, but he still choose the best pellet to eat. It's the best. How to count on Harrison?